Brooks Chemical Services, professional waterproofing at ice factory. At Brooks Chemical Services, we are currently working on a comprehensive waterproofing project at an ice factory, where our team is ensuring thorough surface preparation before applying a high-quality waterproofing system. Over time, moss, dust, and ice accumulation can damage surfaces and reduce the effectiveness of waterproofing. Without proper cleaning and surface leveling, no waterproofing can last long. That's why our team is dedicated to removing the moss, dirt, and damaged or hollow areas from the surfaces before applying a fresh waterproofing layer. It is important to note that, although waterproofing had previously been done at this factory, it failed due to poor application and lack of professional surface preparation. If the waterproofing had been done correctly, the factory would not have needed to call us. Now we are removing the old, ineffective waterproofing and ensuring proper water flow management by repairing the damaged areas. After thorough cleaning and preparation, we will apply a high-quality waterproofing system to protect the facility and ensure durability in an environment where water and ice are constantly present. We will share a detailed video soon to showcase the entire process and the high standards we maintain in our work. If you want long-lasting professional waterproofing, trust Brooks Chemical Services, where quality and preparation come first. Head Office. Office G33 Wakas Heights, Block 13D1, Gulshan Iqbal, Karachi, Pakistan. Visit www.brookspk. Landline 021-3498-1001. Toll free 0335 11 333. Mobile and WhatsApp 03330300.